Mayor, members of the council, I'd like to first point out page 2 of the report, where on page 2, the conclusion section, they clearly state that the audit disclosed that the special gas tax street improvement fund was in compliance. So when they audited the fund itself, the revenues and the expenditures were in compliance. The issue they found, other than the $5,500, which we know are streets that go through the golf course that qualify for gas tax revenue to be used for street repairs, and that's in the matrix. But I think it's interesting to note that they assert that the audit was fine, and yet they say that the gas tax fund was impaired. So in a way, there's a contradiction. There is an error in their conclusion on one of their findings of $800,000. That is a mistake on their part. It is not $800,000. It's actually $558,000. The fact that they state that there is an impairment, that cannot be correct, because the revenue we receive for the gas tax is less than what we spend on expenditures related to street repair. So for example, if we receive about approximately $1.7 million of gas tax revenue, our expenditures related to street repair is $2.8 million, or over $2 million. What they're referring to is an accounting error that should not have been made with the $500,000. So it was entered as an inter-fund resource borrowing entry, whereas it didn't have to be made. And had it not been made, then there would have been no appearance of inter-fund borrowing, because the expenditure far exceeded the revenue. And the $2 million that they're citing, it was just the cash balance as of May. So there's a lot of distortion in these findings, and if you look at the matrix, we explain why we don't believe that the state controller's report is accurate on this matter.
Correct.